So the program that we set up over the holidays had two overall aims. One was to provide the Ikamva matriculants with a little bit of revision of topics that are particularly related to omics. So in our case, genomics. So what is DNA, what is a gene, and what is genetics? Secondly, also to expose the learners to a real working lab. So what would a career look like in genomics? We wanted to excite the students about opportunities in the genomics field for careers. And then the last part of the program was actually doing a DNA extraction. So for many of the learners, this was the first time they'd had an opportunity to extract DNA, and they found that very exciting. And it was very rewarding for us to actually watch the excitement in that whole process.
So I attended the holiday program at DIPLOMICS for grade 12 life science. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the experience from my personal experience, and the learners absolutely enjoyed it. And I think they were seeing themselves, they were calling each other doctors already because they were wearing lab coats, they were doing extractions, and it was really, really exciting for them, and a lot of positive feedback that came from them. For us, we believe that young people can pull themselves and others out of poverty through education, and that's really what we do. Beyond our academic tutoring, we also give a lot of life skills programs, career guidance to make sure that they've got enough resources, enough information of what they can do after school, because a lot of these young people don't have this information readily available at home or in their families or in their communities. So we try and bring that for them. One of the major things for us at Ikamva is to try and get a lot of learners from the township into the STEM subjects. And DIPLOMICS is a perfect partner because they're working in the science. They've got a lot of labs that our learners that they don't have access to in the schools. Some of our schools, they do life science experiments on paper and they don't expose to real life lab experiences. And our learners, our grade 12 learners, have been doing DNA extractions at DIPLOMICS labs, which is fantastic and exciting for them. And they get to really see that science beyond what the teacher says or what the textbook says. So for us, that's a beautiful experience. And also to be exposed to scientists that are already in the real world, that already have gone through journeys, different journeys. So to know if this person did it maybe 10, 15, however, 20 years ago, if they did it, then I also can be able to do that. So it's really trying to say, can we give you access to this world of science? And I think DIPLOMICS has given us that platform.
We are very happy to have this relationship with Ikamva Youth. It has been a very positive experience for the DIPLOMICS staff. We definitely want to continue with it. We would like to reach more students if possible. It sounds like the students really enjoyed it. It was a worthwhile use of their holiday time as well. So hopefully this will grow from strength to strength.